Послушаем простой рассказ на английском. I swim in the pool every day. I like swimming because it's good for my back. I am swimming in the pool now too. My dad runs every week. He enjoys it because he likes to move. He is running through the park now. My mom likes to do yoga every morning. She says it makes her feel so relaxed. She is doing yoga now. My sister plays the violin all day long. She wants to be a musician, so she does it. She plays the violin now. My grandmother knits socks for us every year. She does it very well. The socks are beautiful and warm. Now she is knitting socks for my brother. My brother is a baby. He loves to play with toys. He is very sweet and smiling. Now he is sleeping and sucking his pacifier. My grandfather grumbles sometimes. He is constantly dissatisfied with everything. He is grumbling again now. Послушаем другой рассказ. It's raining outside today. But I'll still go for a walk. I love to walk and breathe fresh air. Maybe I'll go for a walk in the forest. Walking through the forest, I listen to the birds singing. I like to walk among the trees. A walk in the forest energizes me. Various trees and plants grow in the forest. They are all different and very beautiful. If the weather is nice and sunny, then I go there by bike. My best friend is coming with me. Then we leave the bikes in the clearing. And let's go look for beautiful flowers. We make a bouquet out of them, which then stands in a vase at our house. Послушаем другой рассказ. First, I wake up and go wash my face and brush my teeth. I eat breakfast. My favorite food is cereal with milk. Then I dressed in my favorite clothes. I go to school and enjoy the weather. I don't ride a bike because I like to walk. I don't take the bus because the school is nearby. I like going to school. It's raining and I'm a little sad. I don't like rain. I'm eating lunch. Usually, I eat a sandwich and an apple. I play outside. I like to play with my friends. I am reading a book. I love reading books. They are interesting. I walk home. I don't like going home alone. My mother is making soup for dinner. The soup is hot and tasty. Then I brush my teeth and go to bed. I don't like to go to bed early.
Послушаем другой рассказ.
Today is a beautiful sunny day. Birds are chirping outside the window. I woke up because the sun was shining brightly through my window. I woke up in a good mood. Every morning I open the window to let fresh air inside. I do sports every morning. Sport gives me a lot of energy for the whole day. I love to run and squat. For breakfast, I usually eat eggs or cottage cheese. This is healthy and wholesome food. Then I drink coffee with milk or tea with lemon. I really love croissants with cheese. I work from home so I can wake up later. I'm a designer. I like my work. I like working on the computer, but it's not good for my eyes. That's why sometimes I look out the window so that my eyes don't get tired. After work, I go for a walk. I like to walk along our streets. They are very clean and there are a lot of trees. I enjoy my life.
Послушаем другой рассказ.
My favorite color is yellow. I love everything yellow. I like to eat bananas and corn because they are yellow. I also like yellow peppers and yellow tomatoes. In summer, I always sunbathe under the sun. And when I walk in the park, I take pictures with dandelions. I also love the color black. Black goes very well with yellow. I bought a yellow sweater. This sweater is very beautiful and very warm. I usually wear a yellow sweater and black jeans. Yellow socks go well with this look. When I dress like this, everyone pays attention to me. People compliment me. Yellow color is joy and happiness. And when I see it, I experience these feelings.